You really gotta watch out for Ginger, though.
Yeah,
Ginger snaps. Yeah, she is contact cookie. I know, that joke's really funny. Straight on ish, Schweitzer Falls. Now it's to After Sport, Dr. Albert. Falls. Yeah, don't worry about it too much right now. We're just gonna go over it later. Over it. Yeah, I hope you're ready. Now, some people wonder how I landed my job here at the Jungle Cruise. Well, to be completely honest, my career never really took off. So I think it's pretty plain to see that I took a crash course and now I'm just kind of winging it. That's telling that story. The longer bit of the more you start to smell. Danger, that is, and we are coming upon a hippo pool. Now these hippos are pretty friendly, but they can't capsize a boat like this. While last week they sank 6 of our boats. No worries, only 5 are mine. I do have this boat over here should I need to scare them off.
Oh.
Yeah, for all those ones in the trees there. Now we're coming to the most dangerous area of the jungle, and that is headhunter territory. Yes, it is a very, very scary place to be headed. Yeah, just taken from my last crew. They were just a bunch of boneheads. Now I see the warriors dancing in a circle up there. That can only mean one thing. Well, they don't know how to square dance. Now me and these boys were like best friends. We're joining the party over here. Hey guys, we're here. Wait, why are you yelling? Wait, why do you have spears? Oh, everybody get down, they're attacking us. Remember, if you get hit by a spear, please pull out and throw it back. We could not keep souvenirs from the jungle. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I missed about one of their birthdays or something. My bad. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we wait for. That's the 8th wonder of the world. It's a true sight to see. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the backside of water. Woo! You felt that mist on your face? Very nice, very refreshing. Yes. Home to a large amount of bacteria. You're welcome from the jungle. We are now on the Mekong River, deep in the heart of Cambodia in Southeast Asia. Straight ahead is the sacred temple of the Khmer Empire. Now, it looks like this bit over here, we're going to have to go through it.